Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi fellows, where are you today? I hope you always healthy and under protect of God. Okay, today's in these sections, we're going to talking about simple past and present perfect. Yes, it's about grammar. But before we discuss far about that, let me introduce myself. My name is Helsa Fitrape from Bosua University. Okay, talking about simple past and present perfect. Of course, it's about grammar. But before we discuss further about that, I wanna ask you, have you ever heard what is simple past and present perfect? Or have you ever know what is the connected between simple past and present perfect? In general, simple past and present perfect is part of grammar. That's the formula to make a sentences. Simple past, that formula that we can use when we going to make sentence that have played in the past, and present perfect, the formula we use if we make sentence that start the past to or until now or still ongoing. Alright, remember, grammar has a meaning. Different grammar tenses are used in different situations or content and they carry different meanings. Jadi grammar itu adalah suatu peraturan pada tata bahasa di mana grammar digunakan sesuai dengan situasi dan konteksnya. Jadi meskipun memiliki arti yang sama tapi dia memiliki makna yang berbeda. Itulah grammar. Okay, different. What is the difference between simple past and present perfect? Use the simple past for action that happened in the past and it's over, done, or finished. Jadi simple past ini digunakan kepada kegiatan yang telah terjadi di masa lampau dan itu telah berakhir ataupun telah selesai. While the present perfect, use the present perfect for action that started in the past but still true today. Jadi pada present perfect ini adalah action yang adalah formula yang digunakan pada action yang terjadi di masa lampau namun still true today. Artinya still atau berkelanjutan sampai dengan sekarang. Jadi perbedaannya yaitu pada simple past action yang digunakan untuk yang benar-benar telah selesai, while the present perfect itu digunakan pada kegiatan yang dilakukan pada masa lampau namun tetap berlanjut sampai dengan sekarang. Okay, the other difference. The simple past always refer to an action or situation that is finished. And the present perfect connect the past and the present. It used to show that an action or situation in the past. There are two possibilities that are continuous today or might happen again. Jadi pada simple past ini refers lebih mengarah kepada action yang betul-betul telah selesai, sedangkan present perfect ini memiliki hubungan dengan past yang telah berlalu dan yang sekarang. Jadi ini digunakan untuk action yang terjadi di masa lampau namun masih terjadi sampai sekarang. Terdapat dua kemungkinan, yaitu continuous today or might happen again. Itu berlangsung hingga sekarang atau itu akan terjadi lagi. Okay. There are other difference. Use the simple past with time word like yesterday, last yesterday, week, month, year, etc. Seems like blah 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 ago or Saturday ago or when I was blah 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 or in 1990 blah blah blah. Past date, using past date artinya menggunakan tanggal yang telah berlalu. Dan perbedaannya juga terletak pada use the present perfect with time words like recently or lately or since, so far, this week or month, year. Intinya di sini perbedaannya yaitu terletak pada penggunaan, yaitu pada simple past kegiatannya yaitu benar-benar telah selesai or finish or done, Dan while the present perfect adalah betul-betul actionnya terjadi pada masa lampau namun tetap berlanjut pada masa sekarang atau still true until now. Okay, comparing the meaning of these sentences. Jadi di sini ada dua sentence. The first sentence is simple past and the second sentence is present perfect. The first sentence is Sarah lived in Boston for 5 years. And the second sentence is Sarah has lived in Boston for 5 years. The difference between these sentences, the first is using live and the second is using has lived. Okay, we're going to learning the meaning of the sentence. The first sentence, Sarah lived in Boston for 5 years. The meaning is, by using the simple past tense, we mean that Sarah started living in Boston 5 years ago and then she moved. Jadi pada sentence pertama ini, Sarah tinggal di Boston untuk 5 tahun kemudian move. Jadi ini artinya sudah dan finish dan tidak akan terulang lagi. It's over. While the second sentence is Sarah has lived in Boston for 5 years. The meaning is, by using present perfect, we mean that Sarah began living in Boston 5 years ago and she still lives there. Jadi pada sentences kedua ini menggunakan kata has lived yang artinya ini present perfect. Jadi kegiatan itu atau action ini masih berlanjut. Jadi action ini start 5 years ago. Jadi Sarah tinggal di Boston untuk 5 tahun terakhir sampai dengan sekarang. And she still lives there. Okay, remember that simple past is used for action or situation that is over, done, or finished. Jadi pada sentences pertama ini Sarah betul-betul sudah meninggalkan Boston. Jadi ini artinya over. And the second sentence is Sarah has lived in Boston for 5 years. It means that still true until today. Jadi remember that present perfect connect with the past, simple past. Seperti pada contoh sentence kedua, Sarah has lived in Boston for 5 years. Contohnya, Sarah tinggal di Boston selama 5 tahun dan itu menandakan bahwa masih tinggal di sana sampai sekarang. That is present perfect. Okay. Remember again, if you are talking about specific time in the past, it's like yesterday, last month, etc., you cannot use the present perfect. In this case, use the simple past. Jadi ketika kita menggunakan timing pada sentensesnya kita dan menggunakan kata yesterday, last month, or last week, or last year, you cannot use the present perfect. Kamu tidak dapat menggunakan present perfect. In this case, you use the simple past. Okay, so what is the formula if we are going to making simple past or present perfect? If we are going to make affirmative sentences, the formula is he, she, or it plus has plus participle. I, you, they plus have plus participle. If we're going to make negative sentences, she, he, or it plus hasn't plus past participle, and I, you, we, they plus haven't plus participle, and interrogative has, he, has plus he or she or it plus participle, and have plus I, you, we, they plus participle. The difference is for subject. Jika subjeknya she, she, it, kita menggunakan has. But if the subject I, you, we, they, menggunakan kata have. Alright. Okay, the summary. Simple past can be used for the action that happened in the past and it's over, or done, or finished, while present perfect can be used for action that started in the past but still true today. So it depends on our situation and our time. Jadi kembali lagi bahwa simple past digunakan kepada action yang terjadi pada masa lampau dan that is over, finish, or done, while the present perfect that using for the action that start in the past but still true today. Jadi digunakan untuk action yang dilakukan pada masa lampau namun berlanjut hingga sekarang. Okay, I hope you can understand the material about simple past and present perfect. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next video and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.